Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So all you have to do is open the settings, then let's scroll down and find wallpaper. And here, as you can see, you can choose from local photos, so these are the photos that you have been taken, the recently used or pre-installed ones, or online wallpapers, but remember that you need internet connection for that. So let me pick, for example, pre-installed, and here we've got the full list of available ones. So let me choose, for example, the first one. Okay, here we can see how it will look like after applying. So let me click apply. And here we've got three options to choose from. We can set it as a lock screen, as a home screen, or both. So let me pick, for example, both. And if we get back to our home page, we will see that the wallpaper has been changed. So that's all. This is how you change wallpaper in Xiaomi Redmi 9A. And if you find this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.